Hello, everyone. Welcome to this special episode on the root causes for happening of Ramayana. What are the root causes for unfolding of Ramayana? What are the reasons for incarnation of Rama? We'll try to address these questions in this series of episodes. There are three primary reasons for Ramayana to take place. These are impatience among all the living beings, the collapse of wheel of dharma, and the shadow of Maya or illusion effects. These three reasons are interlinked. Let us try to address the question: under what circumstances impatience will prevail? Impatience will prevail when patience is put under severe strain or test. What are the characteristics that determine the patience, the level of patience? The upper limit for patience is determined by Mother Earth. There is no entity that is having patience beyond the patient limit, upper limit of Mother Earth. Hence, the yardstick for patience is Mother Earth. Now, internal to human body, the Muladhara, that is end of the spine at the lower back, is used to leverage us to sit stable, and it is a representation of the earth element. It is a connection to the earth. Muladhara is our connection to the earth. Similarly, the faculty of discretion or chittam represents the earth element in our body. So we are trying to understand here the reasons for impatience. Now, the reference for oscillation of mind or faculty of mind is the discretion, which is the earth element. So, when there is excessive or uncontrolled oscillation of mind, then there is a indiscretion that takes place because earth element is disconnected from the air element. Under these conditions, impatience will prevail. That is all this, and the patience is put under stress. The discretion element is losing its identity. Then too much of oscillation of the mind. All this result in impatience. And when there are tremors in the earth element of discretion, impatience will prevail. In the state of deep sleep, we all lose our discretion because the faculties are also rested. Unlike a baby, we receive unconditional nourishment internally in the form of Kundalini energy. Therefore, indiscretion-driven impatience also means sleeplessness. In the state of sleeplessness or restless state, individual will succumb to Maya or shadow of illusion effects. Fear psychosis generates, and karmacharana action yield erroneous results in such a state. In such a state, the wheel of dharma will also collapse. The wheel of dharma will function normally when positive energy or dharma is equal and balances with negative energy or adharma. However, in the state of chaos, mismatched karmacharana will prevail over matched karmacharana. Mismatch means soul making a choice to perform positive energy. Karmacharana positive energy, karmacharana, or dharma, but the faculties and senses action is towards negative energy polarity. Similarly, soul makes a choice in the direction of negative energy polarity or adharma, while the faculties or senses action is towards positive energy or dharma. This kind of mismatch will damage the dharma chakra or wheel of dharma. Those who are impatient, those who succumb to the fear psychosis, and those who are under the influence of shadow effects or maya will indulge in mismatched state of karmacharana, and in the process they get disconnected from their soul. So such a scenario was prevalent in the world prior to Rama's incarnation. Usually when such a chaotic situation prevails, it is the negative energy or adharma that dominates, because those who practice adharma or negative energy are seeking rapid change in a shortest time. So in the Treta Yuga, for such a chaotic situation driven by mismatch, impatience and maya effects to prevail, what would be the reasons? It was said, when we rest, we will get unconditional nourishment internally while we are in the deep sleep. This nourishment is the cosmic energy known as Kundalini energy. So the state of chaos reflects lack of Kundalini energy nourishment or depleted state of Kundalini energy. Therefore, not getting nourishment inward in those days, everyone turned outward, resulting in a total state of chaos. So what is Kundalini energy, and why there was a depleted resource of Kundalini energy in Treta Yuga? Kundalini energy is all pervasive. It is cosmic energy driven by capillary effects in the universe. Kundalini energy is unlimited, abundant and unconditional, only limited by sankalpa or power of intent of the seeker. Just as the capillary flow is limited by the capillary effects, Kundalini energy is limited by power of intent of the individual who is seeking it. Let us see an example. The stem of a lotus consists of tiny holes with varying dimensions. Hence, the limitation on the nourishment of the lotus flower or the lifetime of lotus flower is determined by the smallest diameter hole that was present in the stem. Because the smaller the diameter, larger is the strength of the capillary or Kundalini energy or the nourishment. Hence, longer is the lifetime. So it was said that Kundalini energy provides nourishment, it is unlimited and unconditional. What could have led to the depletion of such an unconditional energy source in Treta Yuga, triggering incarnation of Rama? So we'll address this question in the next part. Thank you.